Today I'm going to be making a big DIY Valentine's Day slime. I already put the glue in here because I couldn't get the cap off, so I had to do it. It took a long time. So this is a bottle of glue in here. You can measure out a cup, but I just poured a bottle. So you're gonna need some glue, some thick, chunky silver glitter, pink food coloring, activator, and 3 other glitters, red, silver, and white. Sorry about the back noise. Okay, there we go. So, I don't have any more of this. I'm gonna be trying to add this. Okay, as much as I can get out of that. And then this has nothing left in it. So we got a little bitty bit left out of that. So it still looks clear. So what we're going to be doing is adding some of this. Oh yeah, and we used all of the glitter from these in our previous video that we messed up because it just randomly stopped. Okay. This is as much as I can get out. I need some red for sure, but I can't seem to get it now. Oh, mine's here. I'm already recording. It's gonna die. So, this is my dog house forever. We're gonna mix them in the end so you can see it with the red in it. Okay, and now we're gonna add the activator. Oh yeah, the food coloring actually. It's pink. Okay, that's good. Okay, yeah, because the computer's gonna die. Can you add this? Or mix what you add? This is a very small batch compared to the other one. Yeah, we made a big batch. We made a really big batch, and we're going to be mixing them together in the end. Yes, you can. It's not. Okay, I'm gonna go get the other one. Where'd you put the other one? It's on the table. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go get the other one. Show you guys the end result. You just gotta knead it after. We just don't want the computer to die. Ooh, look at that. Yo, it makes a really good one, actually. So here's the other one. We just don't have as much. It makes it really good. Yeah. It's like, it feels really good. Yeah, it really does. Oh my gosh. It's super stretchy, but yet you can still, like, rip it. No, you can't actually. No, you can't really. It's really stretchy. It like really is stretchy. And it's really pretty. It's just sticky to me because I have, I still had some from the last batch and it's like kind of catching on. Yeah, and we didn't add as much activator as we did to yeah, because we already made it and we didn't even get any more activators, so. If it dies when we're doing it, it won't set it. I know. You can't set it on there. Oh. Okay. Okay. We're gonna mix them. It got stuck with me. Oh no. What's wrong with you? Difficulties. Difficulties. How pretty it is. That was supposed to happen. Yeah. Okay, you get that stuff off your hands. Yeah, it's just because I have weird hands, okay? I have weird hair.
It really does. It's really not sticky.
The blue dot's on. Okay. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. Bye.